Let me show you how you can secure your Facebook account from hackers. Two-factor authentication, also known as 2FA, is a double-layer security system that protects your Facebook account even if someone already knows your password. Open your Facebook app and tap on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Tap Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings, tap Account Center, tap Password and Security, tap Two-factor authentication.
Now, they sent me a code. They said check your WhatsApp message and enter the code we sent to your WhatsApp. Bring it back here and I'll paste the code here. Then I'll click on continue. Now, on this page, we were asked to choose how you want to receive your notification, SMS or WhatsApp. That's perfectly okay. And click on next. Now, you can either copy the key or you click on view QR code. Then you can scan it from the Google Authenticator. But let's just copy the key. Now, I'll go to my Google Authentication app. Just go and download this from Google, either from Play Store or your Apple Store. Then I'll click on the plus icon. Now, I will click on enter a setup key. If you want to use the QR code, you will click on scan a QR code. But in this case, I'm going to be using the setup key. Then I will enter the name. Then you will enter your key here. You will click on this drop down arrow if you want it to be counter based or time based. But in my case, I'm going to be going with time based. You click on add. So let's go back to the Facebook and you're going to click on next. Now you can see we are required to enter the code. Since we've already set it up already, I will come to this authentication app and I will copy this code. I will paste the code here. I will click on next. Now I'm required to re-enter my password. Go ahead and enter your password and click on continue. This is the page you're going to see next. You can see two-factor authentication is on. We will now ask for login code anytime you log in on any device you don't recognize.